Driscoll's wants their employees to come to work whole and feel that they have the support to help within their community.
Our community is our family, and at some point we all need help.
Driscoll's Giving program started off really as local causes within the community that now has turned into a global movement. Any one of our employees can create a project, and Driscoll's provides funding to get that project started. It gives them the empowerment to do something that they feel passionate about.
Driscoll sparked my community service passion for 20 years. I really believe it bonds us. It just makes me proud.
Winter Wishes started back in 2001 as a food campaign with Watsonville, and now we have a Winter Wishes campaign happening in every area that we grow.
We have a holiday food drive, the toy drive, we have a virtual turkey trot. When people see how easy it is, I think people get inspired and it starts sharing the joy.
Our Winter Wishes event in Santa Maria is the Migrant Parent Conference, where Driscoll sponsors it, and we provide the lunch for the kids, and they all receive a blanket. The whole experience being down there was very humbling because you get to see what is happening within the community and how the help that is needed is being provided. It was very nice to see the smiles on their faces when they received these blankets that all the volunteers helped pass out.
I've always wanted to have a Christmas event for children because it's so beautiful.
Sister Rosa collects names of families that would like food and gifts, warm jackets during the winter months. We then have gifts available for adoption. Our employees host these gift wrapping lunches.
We wait for the gifts to come from Driscoll, all wrapped, all beautiful in bags. Everything is in place. They come to the entrance of the event, and it's like entering into a fantasy world.
We've created these little pockets of entertainment.
And at the end, before they go, the Knights of Columbus have provided brand new codes for the children.
What brings so much happiness is seeing their smiles, that they're receiving the gift that they asked for specifically, and their name is said by Santa. It's priceless.
The Driscoll's program is not just during the holidays. If something's happening within the community, they want to go out and help.
The 13th of March, the levee in the Pajaro River broke.
During the Pajaro floods, Sister Rosa's building, Casa de la Cultura, was underwater.
Seeing our fellow community members suffering, they needed help.
Driscoll, they immediately realized that we were in need. Came, put their boots on and brushes to clear the mud, to move furniture, to clean the furniture before it was stored.
I'm so thankful that our team helped her getting it back into working condition. Well, we wouldn't have been able to do the motorcade if it wasn't still there. Just saying.
If I need anything, all I need to do is call my friends at Driscoll. And it's a real blessing. It's a real blessing.
My experience has humbled me a lot. Seeing all these projects get accomplished all around the world just warms my heart.
I believe that we could touch more lives and more families because you just have to show up and feel the love.